What's up, guys? Today I'm going to unbox the Logitech Illuminated keyboard. It illuminates your typing experience. Before we get into the box, just going to take a quick look around it. In the back, we got some key features. It is an illuminated keyboard, so you can type easily, even in the dark. Right up top here, make a bold statement. Perfect stroke key system, sleek, minimalist design, first-class comfort, and instant access and controls. It's got a few multimedia controls on top. Right on the bottom here, the system requirements. Alright, XP, Vista, or Windows 7, CD-ROM or DVD drive, or internet connection, and one available USB port. It does have a 3-year limited hardware warranty. Inside the box, it has the keyboard, quick start guide, comfort guidelines, and the user's guide. Alright, let's open it up. First thing I did notice when I picked up this box, it's actually kind of heavy. It's kind of surprising for such a thin keyboard. It's supposed to be thin. Alright. Nice box there. Alright, there it is. Take it out of the case. It's actually very thin, you can tell. It's a very thin keyboard and it has some heft to it. That's some weight. Such a thin keyboard, it tells you that it's made pretty good. The box. Right, over here we have the documentation. Right, we have the software. Go to Logitech and download the latest software. Some important information from Logitech. Quick start guide. Alright, let's get to the keyboard. It's got that nice braided cable. Actually, it's not braided, it's a flat cable. It's a nice cable. It's not braided. Alright. Got the plastic here. This is actually a really nice keyboard. It's a good layout. Backspace, nice center, nice shift. These keystrokes are nice. In there, if you can hear it. Right here, top, you have your function keys, multi-purpose. Here, the volume, dedicated volume keys, mute. There's the illuminated button. Actually, really is very nice. Look at that thin. Like I said, it doesn't have a lot of weight to it. Alright, can't wait to get this hooked up. Give you guys first impressions of the keyboard. Alright, again, this has been an unboxing of Logitech's Illuminated keyboard. For more unboxings, please subscribe.